to interact you like this regarding certain facts. I feel everybody you all following the most important principle, that is stay home and stay safe. In this pandemic situation, of safety as well as the health is the most and prime important. Whenever an occasion arises to speak with you all, I am always expressing my children is so lucky in this organization. Dear children, you know pretty well why. In this organization, from top to bottom, all the employees, whether the commissioner, joint commissioners, deputy commissioners, assistant commissioners, all other secretarial staff in the Vijay level, entire Navodaya family, all my staff members, including MTS and daily wage workers, they are trying to give the best to you. That's why you are so lucky. In this odd situation also, our organization trying to enhance your academic improvement, trying to give the best than any other organization. That's why it is the great opportunity to utilize the best way, my dear children. That's why this is the what is opportunity. This is the one kind of activity to support from our side in the same way, in the systematic manner. You have to receive all the information. So that's why, my dear children, whatever the inputs given by our teachers, you must 100% note down, 100% follow all these things. Our teachers also trained and they are giving all inputs in a proper way. Only you have to receive and practice itself. That is the important. Dear children, if at all in the same time, let us say, at the present scenario, there is no other alternative mode. Only digital mode is the important. For this, you need a smartphone. Using the smartphone or knowing all these important features. After that, in your in your smartphone, the following are the most important. These apps you have to download and utilize properly. In this, the most important one is the Google Meet, which is a very which is web conferencing. Second one is the a Jamboard, which is a virtual whiteboard. Third one is the Google Forms. Okay. So, my dear children, utilize this opportunity, then you may become what you feel. Let us say, for individual growth, for individual, let us, in the efforts also very, very important. Whatever the inputs giving by our teachers, once you are able to utilize properly, you may go for your any competitive examination. You may face all the examinations also. That's why, as many as unable to have such kind of facilities, you have the most important facilities. So utilize all these resources. Wish you all the best. Thank you, my dear children. Now Raghavendra sir is going to take certain things. You need to. Hello, చెప్పయ్యా జరిగింది మేము ఎదురు ఇస్తాం రాఘవేంద్ర లైవ్ అంతా కాస్ట్ కాదు మన టీచర్స్ వాళ్ళు ఈరోజు చేసేసి మా చేత చెప్పించి వీళ్ళకి చేస్తున్నాడు అనమాట. సో మన టీచర్ అందరూ మా వాళ్ళందరూ చాలా హుషారుగా ఉన్నారే.
జాయిన్ అయ్యారు కదా మీరు. నా వీడియో నేను ఆపాను, లైవ్ లో ఉన్నాను కదా, మీ వీడియో వెళ్తుంది అటు.
మరి దాదాపు మన అది కూడా అయిపోతుంది.
నువ్వు వచ్చావన్నా
అన్నా లైవ్ లో మీరు చూడండి, లైవ్ లో ఏం కనిపిస్తుంది? యూట్యూబ్ ఎవరైనా ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారా? యూట్యూబ్ నీ వరకు నీకు వినిపిస్తుంది చూడు. సరే, ఓకే. So, good morning, children. So, welcome to JNV VJDM online live channel. So, here I am to make you aware the platform which we are going to introduce for online purpose. Basically, we are able to use this because of the NVS headquarters as well as RO. So I owe thanks to the commissioner as well as deputy commissioner for providing such fascinating online tools to get interact with your children even this lockdown also. So we are going to use 4 different tools. So one is Google Meet. So Google Meet is a tool to connect with the students. It is a video conferencing tool as well as a presenting tool. Means we will present our content through the Google Meet and that you are able to see from your end. So this is a main platform to interact online with the teachers and the students. And the other 3 tools are in general, they are supplementary tool to the Google Meet. One is called as Google Jamboard. This Jamboard will be nothing but it's like a virtual whiteboard. So what all the activities we do in conventional mode, how we use the blackboard, the similar way we use this whiteboard virtually. So that is a interactive collaborative whiteboard in which the teacher is able to write as well as he is able to showcase images. And not only that, students also will get interact with this whiteboard. So that's why I said it is a collaborative. And regarding the Jamboard, the more information will be given by Kirti sir. He will explain how the Jamboard will look and how it can be a collaborative and all these things. And the third tool is Google Forms, which is mainly we use for the assessment purpose. And along with that, we are also using Google Classroom. So this is a main versatile tool which bridges the gap between the teacher and the student. So before the academic transaction, after the academic transaction, you are able to bridge with the help of Google Classroom, which allows you to continuously interact with the teachers in their respective classroom, and they are able to provide you some assignments as well as some homework. You can do those homework by using Google Classroom, and also timely the schedule of online classes information and the timetable will be kept in their respective class subjects classrooms so that you can have a look and join in that particular time. So these are the 4 apps which are going to be installed in your smartphone. So one is Google Meet, the other one is Google Jamboard, third one is Google Forms, and the fourth one is Google Classroom. So here all the teachers are inviting to the respective students in their class to the Google Classroom. Please use that code to join in the respective subject classrooms of that particular class. So soon after complete joining only we are able to conduct interactions in the Google Classroom. So but continuously time to time you keep watching the WhatsApp group of respective classes, so that we will post the important information, the timetable for the online meeting, as well as the homework should be completed, periodicity of homework and all information will be posted first in the WhatsApp group, then in the Google Classroom. So in this regard, you need to make aware how the Google Meet will work. So there are some do's and don'ts when you are joining in the Google Meet. First of all, when we all will send subject wise, teachers will send individual meeting key. That meeting key will be posted one day in advance to your class, means tomorrow's class will be posted by evening. So day after tomorrow class will be posted tomorrow evening. So like that, within a 12 period of 12 period means 12 hours in advance we are going to post the keys for the respective subjects. So those keys you should use at that particular time period to join in the classroom. So don't get confused with the keys. The keys will be very specifically mentioned. The title of the teacher, the title of the subject and title of the class will be mentioned. So clearly the date, time as well as the teacher class will be mentioned in that, so that you can join in that particular Google Meet class. And when you are joining in the Google Meet, what you need to ensure is, you all know that there are three keys are present at the center. This is mic key, this is end the session key, and this is the camera key. When you are joining in the Google Meet, please all join by muting the microphone first. So this is the way we have to mute. When I am clicking on the mic, it becomes red. So when the mic is turned to the red, it is muted. Means when you talk, also it won't reach to the organizer. So in that way, all the students, when they are joining in the Google Meet, they must disable the mic first. So then only you have to join. If you have forgotten to disable, even after the joining also you need to disable. Otherwise, whatever you talk, that will be reaches to us and reaches to all the viewers, and it creates a distraction in the online transaction. So while you are joining, you are able to enable means by default the video is enabled. You can join with enabling the video after 5 minutes, because we need to ensure that whatever the number of students who have joined in the class, we need to have a glance of their faces. So that's why when you are joining, the video should be enabled. After 5 minutes, the teacher will give you instruction to disable the video. So when you click on the video icon, it turns to the red. So that means it is disabled. So we cannot see your faces. So when we are on the online, it is always better that the teacher who is presenting, his video only should be viewed. The other videos should be disabled. So these are the things which you need to ensure before joining the session. And one more thing is that the same session we will repeat even in the after. Disconnect. ఎందుకు డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది? లేదు, నాది డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. So in this way, you can again, if you want to join, you can join in between 4 to 5 p.m. for the same session, to make you aware how you can interact in the platform. So now I will invite I will invite Kirti sir. The Kirti sir will explain regarding the Jamboard, how the Jamboard can be used in the content delivery program, and what way you get benefited by using the Jamboard.
Entire country, the world is facing a challenge. We have to cope up with the challenge. Our education system is coping up with the challenge. The challenge between us for the teachers is to teach you. The challenge for you is to understand or to receive the content and understand the content, so that the learning process continue. For this, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti has come up with an idea of online teaching, and we are ready to accept it immediately. We accepted the challenge and we are going to start the online classes. But before that, you and we are new to this online teaching, because we are not aware of online teaching except few teachers like Raghavendra Rao sir and others. It is completely new for me, for others, for you also. So to take the teaching online, you need a mobile phone, a smart mobile you must have, or a personal computer or a laptop. Most of you may be having a Android phone, that is sufficient. If you have a laptop, well and good. If you have a personal computer, that also will do. With all these, you should have your personal mail account, Gmail account first of all. With the mail, you have to log in, and if yours is a personal computer or laptop, you have apps, Google apps. In your mail, you can see 9 dots. There, all the apps are loaded there. You have to go to that app and click it. Room. It is Meet. For example, you want to download. You want to log into Meet. You go to the apps. Click on Meet. Meet will have a green color camera symbol. Then you will connect it with the Meet. Similarly, there is Classroom. Similarly, there is Jamboard. J symbol will be there. J letter, very big J, orange, yellowish color J will be there. Similarly, Classroom. Similarly, so many apps are there. So these all are helpful for us in giving the transaction. We teach it from here, you receive the data there. That is what the idea. In this, of course, we will encounter many problems. Sometimes you may lose internet connectivity. We may lose internet connectivity. Don't be panic. All these are initially, we all are going to face these problems. Slowly, we will get adapted to this type of system, and you will also get adapted to this system, and we continue the teaching learning process through online. This is the way we have to do. Mute. Okay. చేస్తా. Okay. Now we are. I am going to discuss about Jamboard here. What you have supposed to do, apart from this Google account, you must have downloaded the 4 apps like Meet, Classroom, Docs, and Jamboard. You can download these from Play Store. If you are an Android mobile, you can download all these things from mobile, from Play Store. If yours is laptop or PC, then you can take from the apps, Google apps, you can use them. Now I am moving to Jamboard. What is Jamboard? Jamboard is nothing but the board. In classrooms, we use green board or blackboard. In smart rooms, we use whiteboard. Here it is just like a whiteboard. Jamboard is a whiteboard. Now you can see this whiteboard. Now I take you in your screen. Whiteboard is visible, isn't it? Is this whiteboard with this? Whatever I want to perform action, whatever I want to write, whatever I use it to write while teaching, I use it to write so much on blackboard. The same thing we will do here. That will be displayed to you. That will be displayed to you. Okay. In this whiteboard, you have pen, you have a eraser, you can select certain items, you can have sticky notes, you can add images, you can arrange, and laser pointer is also there. With this, we can use the Jamboard. Okay. So whatever I want to write, I select the pen, I bring it, and I write it. On the board, it will be displayed. In this, I can zoom in, I can zoom in, I can zoom out. Using this Jamboard, I can zoom in, I can zoom out, and also I can share the content also. I can share the information to you all. This Jamboard is visible to you all. There are sheets also here. You can see one by one, one by two. I can add images there and I can display them. So Jamboard helps us for better transaction. If you don't have Jamboard app in your mobiles, please download it. Without Jamboard, it will be passive. All the time if I speak, because in mathematics, science, and in many subjects, you need a blackboard and the diagrams. See, I think your board is visible to you. Now I have a pad, a writing pad, I have graphic pad I call, I have a pen-like item. Whatever I write, for example, I want to write on the board. The topic is, whatever I write on the board, those you can see. Okay. Similarly, if I want to erase them, I can select an eraser. I can erase them just like paint. I think in Microsoft you might have used paint. Just like paint, this Jamboard works. You can erase, you can like this, you can erase. Okay, you can erase these things. So much information we can show to you on this Jamboard. So Jamboard app, you please download from Play Store. If you see the PC from Google Apps, you can download those. You can directly log into Jamboard. So this is a very important tool for all of us. This is a supplementary tool actually. For Meet, this is a supplementary tool for teaching the information. Okay. With this, as time passes, you will come across this particular app more and other apps. Also, you will come to know how to use and all. We give you assignments, we give you work, homework. All these you have to, after filling them or after completing the works, after completing the task, you have to send it to me. For all those things, we will guide you. There will be many problems. We can encounter with many problems initially. But as time passes, all those will be sorted out. Remember one thing, friends. There is a Nyaya called Markata Kishora Nyaya in Sanskrit. In Nyaya Sastra, there are Marjala Kishora Nyaya, Markata Kishora Nyaya, etc. Markata Kishora Nyaya, you know very well. Markata means monkey. It is the job of the child, baby monkey, to hold the monkey. If the baby doesn't hold the monkey properly, it will fall. It is your duty. This nobody is there to observe you whether you are really following the lessons or not. You yourself are responsible. You yourself are answerable to your conscience. If you see each and everything from the beginning till end in the video, you will understand the things. You know very well it is natural for anybody in between while class is going on, you think some other thing, and teacher used to caution you, hey, what are you doing, listen. We used to bring you again back into the classroom. But here nobody is there. If you put on the video and do your own work, nobody can help you. So this is new to us, new to you. You have to follow the video completely. It is your duty. Otherwise you will become a baby monkey. Baby monkey means it falls and perishes. Like that, if you don't follow the instructions, if you don't answerable, if you are not cautious, you are the person who has to suffer a lot. So please follow the instructions, and whatever instructions the teachers give, you follow it. Timetable will be circulated to you accordingly. The classes will commence maybe from tomorrow. We start our online teaching today. Again, as Raghavendra sir told, there will be again an evening repeat of the same thing almost, so that you will acquaint about the uh, basics of online teaching. Thank you, Varandal.
సెవెంత్ టు 12th అంతా మరి యాక్సెస్ చేస్తా ఏమైంది
ప్రస్తుతం వీడియోను ఇది రెండు మ్యూట్ పెట్టారు. మీరు కూర్చున్నప్పుడు వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకుని కూర్చున్నాక అనుకోండి. ముందు ఏంటంటే ఏం చేసుకోవాలో అది ప్లాన్ చేసుకోండి.
ప్లానింగ్ చేసి రెండు ముక్కలు చెప్పేయటం. Good morning, students of JNV Vijayanagaram. After long gap of COVID break, now we are happy to have an interaction with you all. I think, I don't know, some of you parents are also watching the same program. Thank you. And also I request you parents especially to encourage your children to utilize this facility of learning online. Now, to bring this program to you, there is a lot of Herculean task. It is actually a lot of exercise went on before this, and the teacher concerned, our Raghavendra sir, and the NVS, our NVS, and Hyderabad region, Delhi, and with the collaboration of Google, we are able to try to connect with you people. And this is, we don't want to miss this academic year. We want you learn something. We want to engage you also on our day-to-day activities. This meet is not a simply just passing on the time. It is also a kind of work where you have to do the real work. Whatever the assignments that your teachers give you from time to time, they'll give you the time also to do them and do the activities and submit the same through online only. And of course, here for all the subjects, we teachers are ready to extend our best efforts to bring you the content of the relevant subjects which you are studying in. And moreover, I would like to address another problem here, that is,
Some of you, I don't know how many of you are able to watch this program online, and whether you have proper gadgets, that means electronic gadgets that you require, like internet, phone, an Android phone, or a desktop or laptop or something else. Still I feel that some of you do not have all these things, and I hope that NVS New Delhi is also planning to do something in this regard. Surely we will do that. Already our principal sir gave you the things that what the kind of efforts NVS has been making in this regard to bring online classes to your doorstep. We don't know when this COVID break ends. So let us utilize this facility and try to be in touch with your subjects, core subjects, which are essential to move you up to the next level of classes. Right, children and parents also, I humbly request, please see that your children must do the activities that are assigned by the teachers online from time to time without fail. And moreover, here this is a class where you don't have a personal direct interaction, face to face interaction with you people. So we don't know what you are really doing, whether you are watching and trying understanding the content that is imparted to you by the teachers. We are unable to watch it still, as our Kirti sir said, that Markat Nyaya, where the child has to clung to its mother, that is the Markat Nyaya. Unless the child feels responsibility, it loses its life. That's why the mother monkey also, whether you have observed it or not, if the child fails to cling to the mother body, then the mother monkey beats the child. But here it's not possible, guys. However, I think that nowadays students feel more responsible and dedicated to their works. We all know that. You please utilize each and every facility. That first of all, once again, one more thing I would like to bring it to your kind notice, that you, this Google Meet, how to make it useful, Google Classroom and Google Jamboard, Google Forms, Google Slides, and there are separate videos. I have seen them on YouTube. You please go listen to them whenever you find time. I request parents to help your children to listen to those videos, so that you also can make an acquaintance with those new learning apps. I think they are new to you guys, and also they are new to us. However, we are trying our level best to make you utilize the facility. Thank you and have a nice day. Be ready to receive the lessons from tomorrow onwards. Thank you. Have a nice day.
గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? బాగున్నారా? ఎప్పుడు అనుకోని విధంగా ప్రపంచం మొత్తం ఒక్కసారి స్తంభించిపోయింది. మిమ్మల్ని చూసి చాలా రోజులు ఎప్పుడు ఇలా జరగలేదు. మీరందరూ ఇళ్లల్లో ఉంటాం, మేము స్కూల్లో ఉంటాం, మేము ఇక్కడి నుంచి క్లాసులు చెప్పడం, మీరు అక్కడి నుంచి వింటాం. ఇది ఎప్పుడు జరగంది, కానీ తప్పదు. ప్రస్తుత పరిస్థితుల్లో అందరూ కూడా దీనికి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయాల్సిందే. మీరందరూ ముఖ్యంగా మీ ఆరోగ్యాలు జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోండి. ఎవరు కూడా బయటికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కానీ పక్క ఇళ్ళకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు కానీ చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. చెప్పినట్టు అన్నీ పాటించండి. బయటికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చినప్పుడు చేతులు కడుక్కోవటం, కాళ్ళు కడుక్కోవటం అలా చేసుకొని మీ ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ముందు చూసుకుంటే ఆటోమేటిక్గా చదువు అదే వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు సమితి వాళ్ళు ఒకటి పెట్టారు, ఆన్లైన్లో క్లాసులు చెప్పమని. అందరూ యాజ్ పర్ టైం టేబుల్ ప్రతి ఒక్కళ్ళు కూడా ముందు రోజు మీకు చెప్తారు, ఎవరే క్లాస్ చెప్తారో దాని ప్రకారం అందరూ కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం మీకు అందరికీ నెట్లు ఉంటాయనుకుంటాను. లేనప్పుడు మరి తప్పదు, అందరు ఫాలో అయ్యి టీచర్లు ఏం చెప్తే దాన్ని క్లాసులకి అటెండ్ అయ్యి చక్కగా, మరి తప్పదు మరి పరిస్థితుల్లో దాన్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. మీ ఆరోగ్యం జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. మీ పేరెంట్స్తో జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. అందరూ చక్కగా అన్ని ఫాలో అయ్యి క్లాసులకు అటెండ్ అవుతాను అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Okay, so this is, we can take it as in positive only. ఒక విధంగా COVID-19, we are getting more holidays, is it not? But you are very much lazy in these holidays. So be active, and today onwards, you think you are again, you came to join, again you are attending the classes. So like that, you you copy the schedule from tomorrow onwards. Classes may be from, especially for 12th class, 8, they will start at 8 o'clock and up to evening 4:30. So 12th class 8 to 9 1 hour classes, all classes for all 7th to 12th, 8 to 4:30. So 8 to 9, 9:30 to 10:30, like that timetable will be provided today evening itself. So follow sincerely, my dear children. This gap improves the self discipline. I hope self discipline and self that responsibility. Be responsible towards your studies and also for your career. Okay, your career is in your hands only, because this year you think throughout the year maybe online teaching. So don't think it is no exams, we are free, don't think like that. So if you are in online teaching means be responsible, and you follow your instructions of your parents and also your teachers. సో మీ పేరెంట్స్ని మీరు మోసం చేయొద్దు ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ అందరూ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఉండరు. మీకు మొబైల్ ఇచ్చేసి వీళ్ళు ఏదో చదువుకుంటారు అని ఇచ్చేసి పోతే మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే దాంట్లో వేరే వేరే పనులు చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. సో ఇలాంటివి ఏవి చేయకుండా మీ పేరెంట్స్ని ముందు మోసం చేయొద్దు. ఓకే, అలాగే మిమ్మల్ని మీరు మోసం చేసుకోవద్దు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫస్ట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇన్ యువర్ డైలీ లైఫ్. ఓకే, సో మార్నింగ్ నుంచి ఈవినింగ్ వరకు బిజీ విత్ యువర్ స్టడీస్, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యూ స్టడీ, యూ మేక్ యువర్ నోట్ బుక్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అండ్ ఇంకేంటంటే మొబైల్స్ అందరికీ ఉండకపోవచ్చు. మీ పేరెంట్స్ని అడిగి ఇప్పటి నుంచే మొబైల్స్ గురించి ఫాలో తీసుకుని టైం టేబుల్ చెప్పి ఫాలో అవ్వండి. ఓకే, ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్. టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హెల్త్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
చూస్తున్నారా? సరే, మళ్ళీ టైం ఎంత అయింది? మళ్ళీ మా కూర్చున్నాం ఒకసారి.
Good morning, my students and parents. It is very difficult to. It is a crucial time. Already, our senior teachers told you communicate with you through online. At the same time, we are try to give our best, and it is also very responsible from students as well as your parents. We have to give our best through this online platform. At the same time, in the class, it is very difficult to teach through online to all subjects, especially maths and science. It is very difficult to communicate our students. At the in classroom also, most of the students are not concentrating towards the classroom. It is online, and it is very responsible. You have to feel responsible and concentrate towards the classroom. In between, there is small difficulties are there, some of net problems, etc., etc. But you have to overcome. You have to overcome from those difficulties. We also try our level best to give to clear the concepts. Already our RVRs are told you whatever the time given to you for doubts clarification, you have to chat with us, and also on the next day we have to give our responses to clarify your doubts. So my dear students, be safe. At the same time, be concentrate while the classes are going on. So it is very request you all, not only students, from parents side also, you have to observe your children what they are doing, and while teaching is going on, you have to clearly observe your children while they are following or not. So from our side, all the best to all of our students, and also as early as possible we have to. Okay, okay, thank you.
Good morning, parents and children. The world stands still because of COVID-19 epidemic. It's a time for you to get your education through online only because you are unable to attend the classes. Teachers are not in a position to teach you. You should not lose this academic year because classes may not go for a long time. So better, whatever the instructions has been given by our senior teachers and many of the staff members, you must follow that one, and you have to keep electronic gadgets with you. If it is not available, try to get it from your friends or your relatives to listen the classes through online. And some of the tools already is being discussed by our senior teachers like Jamboard, Chart. If you open this web app, WhatsApp app, their chatbot is there. You can chat with your teachers. You can clarify the doubts through that one. A Google Meet is a platform through which you can get information as well as you can chat with your teachers. You can clarify your doubts, and as well as you can make aware about the topics. If you are facing any difficulties, you are free to get information from your teachers. You have numbers, and as well as online platform is there. You can put a queries that they can reply you in time. So, my dear children, keep safe yourself and acquire knowledge through online teaching, and also make safe of yourself and your family members, because we know that it's a difficult time to attend the classes, but you should not lose your academic year. So all the teachers are trying to give you a lot of information and subject matters, even other information which you want. Definitely the Samiti, our principal sir, our school staff, teachers, everybody is trying 100% to give you a proper education through online. Thank you, one and all.
Hi, good morning, everybody. Very happy to mingle with you once again in these difficult times of COVID. We are once again here to be before you, and then let us use these new technologies, and then let us learn the new things. So I wish you all the best. Thank you.
ఏంటి వెళ్దామా ఇల్లు వచ్చేద్దాం మళ్ళీ మధ్యాహ్నం ఏంటి పెట్టిరా సార్ 6,000 సార్ 6,000 సార్ మళ్ళీ మధ్యాహ్నం చూస్తున్నావా
Hello. Good morning, all of you.
నాకు వద్దాం
See, all of our teachers, senior teachers, have already explained you the need of online teaching. See, this is a crisis throughout the world, and you know very well, throughout the India, many private sector schools and even government schools and even MHRD, SCRT, all the state governments are taking many efforts to transact online educations to the students who are very far away from the teachers because of this COVID-19 pandemic. Since the attendance of the students in the classrooms and face-to-face interaction is not possible, the governments are taking many efforts to reach the students through online platforms like Webflex, Google Meet, Zoom, many platforms they are using to reach you people. And this is one such. And in this Google Meet, there are many apps that one needs to download when you want to access the teachers or interact with the teachers through your smartphones. If it is a laptop, it is not needed to download all the apps because they are already embedded. But when it comes to a smartphone, you need to download all those stated apps. Already our senior teacher Raghavendra sir and Kirti sir have explained you how to download those apps and how to come into contact with the teachers. Please follow them and use the instructions carefully to come into contact with the teachers. Use this platform well and learn something being at home. And you know, we are trying our level best. It is this online teaching is completely new to us. Sometimes we may not be able to use the tools properly while we are interacting with you online. Okay, but soon I promise you we will learn and we will do our best and we will teach our best to make you learn better. And along with the resources we have, and you have many resources in online also, that is in YouTube. For every subject there are lot many videos available. You use them for every topic. Some 4 to 5 videos will be available there. You use every video, you listen to it, and you summarize the contents from all those videos and you learn better. The only thing is, if you are interested, everything is possible. There is a saying always, we can take the horse to the pond, but we cannot make it drink. So learning is possible only with your interest. Without that, nothing will take place. So you please follow the instructions from time to time, use the technology properly and learn something, because we are not sure about the time that you can come to the school and learn at the school. The normal conditions we cannot expect very soon. So that is the reason why I request you all people to avail the resources, your teachers, our efforts and the content which is available online to learn better. Thank you one and all.
So dear children, so we are winding up this session right now. So the same session will be repeated with highlighting the Google Classroom, how the Google Classroom can be explored for the better learning and how it bridges the gap between the student and teacher. That we will emphasize more at 4 to 5 p.m. So again, I hope you people will join in between 4 and 5 so that you will be enlightened with Google Classroom and some features of Google Meet also. So that's why we are again keeping a schedule of live session of YouTube in between